Most car upgrades are obvious. These 5 aren't. They're the ones that quietly protect your car, your keys, your phone, and your visibility every single day. Subscribe, let's get into it. The Apple AirTag is the most discreet vehicle tracking upgrade available. Size 31.9 millimeters diameter, 8 millimeters thick, 11 grams. Range uses Apple's Find My network. Over 2 billion active Apple devices that anonymously relay location data when they pass within Bluetooth range of a hidden AirTag, covering dense urban areas effectively. Battery CR2032, user replaceable up to 1 year. Precision finding with ultra-wideband on compatible iPhones guides you to within inches of the tag. IP67 water resistance. Updated 2024 model ASIN B0D54JZTHY includes improved anti-stalking alerts. Hide one in a wheel well, under a seat, or in a storage compartment. If your car gets stolen or towed, you can locate it in real time. Works only with Apple's ecosystem. For iPhone users, no other tracker matches the density of the Find My network in built-up areas. Links are in the description. Check it out. The Vontrue N4 Pro S is the comprehensive 3-channel dash cam cameras, front at 4K Ultra HD, 3840 by 2160, interior cabin at 1080p, and a waterproof external rear camera at 1440p. Mountable outside the vehicle, making it the right pick for trucks and pickups without rear windows. Sensors: Sony Starvis 2 on the front channel, Sony Starvis on interior and rear. Field of view: 158 degrees front, 160 degrees rear, 165 degrees cabin. GPS, dual band. Wi-Fi, 5 GHz. Screen, 3.19 inches. Voice control. Plate picks technology for license plate clarity and low light. 4 parking modes with hardwire kit. Cloud connectivity available via optional LTE module. And if this kind of practical driver upgrade content is what you want, subscribe now. We cover the best car tech every week. Car Explorer awarded it Editor's Choice after 30 days of testing, confirming it survives 140 degrees Fahrenheit cabin heat and reads license plates in the dark. For rideshare drivers, commuters, and anyone who wants front cabin and rear coverage in one system, the N4 Pro S is the most complete 3-channel option available in 2026. The Faraday pouch is the relay attack prevention upgrade, a signal blocking sleeve that stops thieves from amplifying your key fob signal to unlock and start your car when the keys are inside your home. Modern keyless entry cars are vulnerable to relay theft. 2 thieves with signal amplifiers can steal a vehicle from a driveway in under 60 seconds without triggering any alarm. A Faraday pouch lined with signal blocking metallic mesh cuts the key fob's radio frequency transmission entirely when the keys are inside it. No signal reaches the car, no entry, no start. A 2026, which security investigation confirmed Faraday pouches as the most effective and affordable countermeasure for keyless relay theft. And UK police forces recommend them as a first-line defense. For any driver with a keyless entry vehicle, this is the single lowest cost security upgrade that addresses one of the fastest growing vehicle theft methods in 2026. The Llama Call is the phone mount for cyclists and motorcyclists. A 360-degree rotating aluminum alloy clamp mount that fits handlebars from 0.87 to 1.37 inches in diameter and holds phones from 4.7 to 7.0 inches, including cases. Tool-free installation. The spring-loaded clamp mechanism holds the phone securely through vibration, uneven roads, and speed bumps without requiring a separate case or adhesive. Compatible with all standard handlebars including road bikes, mountain bikes, e-bikes, and motorcycles. 360-degree rotation locks at portrait or landscape. Over 40,000 Amazon ratings at 4.5 stars with consistent praise for grip strength and ease of installation. For cyclists and motorcyclists who use their phone for navigation, fitness tracking, or music, the Llama Call replaces the phone and pocket compromise with a secure, accessible mount that keeps the display visible without taking hands off the bars. All the links are in the description below. Closing with the upgrade, most drivers delay until they can't see in the rain. The Rain-X weather beater wiper blades use a contoured tension spring that distributes pressure evenly across the full blade length, ensuring consistent contact from edge to edge on curved windshields where standard blades lift at the tips. All-season rubber compound with graphite coating reduces friction and chatter, the streaking and skipping that worn rubber causes on a wet screen. Available in sizes from 14 to 28 inches to fit most vehicles. Easy clip-on installation in under 2 minutes per blade. Rain-X is the brand that professional detailers and auto reviewers consistently recommend for budget all-weather wiper performance. Worn wiper blades reduce visibility in rain by up to 30% and are one of the most commonly failed items in UKMOT testing and US state vehicle inspections. Replacing them before they fail is the most overlooked safety upgrade any driver can make for under $30. Apple AirTag hidden in your car for real-time theft tracking. Vontrue N4 Pro S for 3-channel, front cabin and rear video coverage. Faraday pouch to stop relay key theft at your front door. Llama Call for secure hands-free phone navigation on a bike or motorcycle. Rain-X weather beater for clear visibility in any weather. Every link is in the description. Subscribe and come back next week. We're covering the best in-car gadgets to complete your driving setup. See you there.